In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Dolce Gusto coffee machine. First, you're going to want to take this lid off. Ensure that there is enough water in the machine. Close it back up. And then choose one of these paws. We have many different flavors, including chocolate milk. Then you're going to open up this lever, pull this part out, empty if there's anything in it, then put the pot in, slide it back in, and then you're going to put how many lines there was. For example, this one had 6 lines, this one had 2. Then you're going to press on the coffee button. And there you have your coffee.